to remove those two bolts, sometimes it's a pain in the ass. The reason why is because those are press fit inside. So you can remove this with an impactor, and it's a 24 millimeter, but then you need to mallet hard and extract these guys. All right, now one thing you want to do is, and this is what I do, and it works pretty well after the first time that I tried that it was a pain in the butt, I put some 0W40 here and here, let it go a little bit, and then start to mallet after. And I'll show you a nice technique to mallet with this guy. The thing that I love to do is to put this guy under to avoid any drop after I remove the struts. I don't think it really happened anything, but you know, I feel a little more comfortable being that. Ryobi is up to, this Ryobi with a 4 ampere, it's up to 300 foot-pounds, so it works pretty awesome, especially when it's fully charged. So I highly recommend this. Here's the thing what I do here. First of all, I'm gonna change with new bolts and new big nuts because I think it's time. I'm using a hold one to create a bigger surface where I can mallet, and it's easier for me to pushing down this way. Otherwise I have to be very precise and hit the little bolt. Alright, I'm using 20 ounces mallet. People say that I'm in America and I should have a bigger one, but that's right. Done. Condition is, as you see, pretty good. However, there is something here, so probably it's due to the malleting though. Alright, number one thing that I forgot to tell you is that in theory we can rotate a little bit to have a better angle for malleting. So the reason why I have this guy here is because once I remove the two big bolts here, this guy will drop, so you want to hold it. I'm gonna use the same method with the hold nut, if it still works. It does. Good. Yeah, better angle.
Little.
There you go. See, Both were in decent condition, but I'm gonna change it, especially because when you mallet, you start to deform this part here, and you don't want it. All right, now this is completely free. Now we can gentle pull down this guy here. Like still kind of hold it over there. The only thing that we miss are the 3 bolts on top. Stay with me. Okay. Also put the other one. Now, in the same way we were malleting out, this needs to be compressed back over here. And so what we do, we put the nut here and just keep going with the impactor. The impactor will recoil inside the bolt. .24mm once again. And then I will use a torque wrench for 184 foot-pounds. Repeat the same thing for the lower one. Okay. See, it's completely closed. For this, we're going to use a bigger torque wrench, socket, for 184 pounds torque. Perfect.